Hi, this is Josh with Gingrich Clean Burn, and today we're going to go over how to ash out a clean burn furnace. Behind me we have a CB1750. It is the second smallest unit that we sell. All of our models look similar to this as far as the layout when you ash them out, so it'll apply to all of them. Frequency of ash out is also something we want to go over. We recommend ashing out your furnace around 700 hours from the last time. Reason being, ash buildup inside reduces efficiency. So you can go all the way up to 1,000 hours, but we don't recommend that just simply because you're not getting the same amount of heat value out of your fuel. So if you guys are ready to ash out your furnace, the first thing that you're going to want to do is disconnect your power cord going to the burner or the yellow cord here. Take it off so you can swing your door open. And then down here on the accumulator block, you have your oil line coming in. In this case, we have a flex line on here, so we don't need to disconnect ours. It makes it a little easier. That's why we install it on all of our new furnaces. And then you're going to want to take off your 4 nuts here that attach the door, keep the door secure. It would be a 9/16 socket to take those off. Then once we swing our door open, we have the ERD sitting in the back. If you look at the ERD, you see the lip on them. So that is specifically designed for efficiency. So we recommend buying the OEM ERD for your furnace when you purchase it. And then the retention head here, which has the nozzle, make sure that that's looking good. It doesn't have carbon buildup and your electrodes aren't burnt back. So I'm going to take out this ERD here so we can see what it looks like behind it. So as you can see, it has this little thing on here, and that attaches to the hook in the back up top there. And then that plate in the bottom comes out, and then that's going to sit about right here on the ERD to make it flat. And then we have the tubes. As you can see, got a lot of ash in the tubes. We sell brushes for the different size tubes so that you can make sure they're clean when you do it. Once you're done with that, hang your ERD back on the unit, close it up, and then you'll want to move to the back end of the furnace. Now we're on the back end, your firebox, your tubes, and it comes back, your gas comes back to here. The breech has an exhaust on both sides. So in this case, we're on the cap side, which means the other side would be where your stack goes out. This side is easier to ash out on because you don't have to take off your stack. So just take it off, take a brush through, clean it all out the best you can, and then make sure you also clean the elbow on the other side as well, so that's not plugging up when this is clean. Then your furnace will be completely ashed out. In addition to this, make sure the horizontal section on your stack, if you do have a horizontal section, I should say, in your stack, make sure you clean that out as well because that will plug up. And then if you have a draft inducer, make sure you climb up there, take the extra time to clean that out as well. Cleaning it out will make it last longer and run better. Once that's done, you can put everything back together and your furnace should be good for another season. Thanks for watching. We are here to help you, so feel free to reach out, give us a call. We'd be happy to help. We are the distributor for Ohio, Indiana, and Western PA. Our website will be linked below, so check it out. We have some kits for sale on there as well. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe. We got more coming. Thanks, everybody.